And here we got an old 1995 Kenmore electric dryer, not heating, runs fine. We tested the plug, made sure we had 240 volts going to the dryer, and we did. Let's take these two screws off right here. Hold the heating element. We got that out. Now we're able to go and test everything. Test the heating element. Hard to do with one hand. It's beeping. That's good. Go to the other thermostat. That one's beeping. It's got continuity. No continuity in this one. We've got a couple, we've got a bunch of thermostats here in our handy dandy tool bag. That one has continuity, so we'll replace it. One little screw to hold it on. Alright, put power back to the dryer. Start it.